Look at those pizza rolls. My love gonna prepare this for our, my goodness, snacks. Snack. Breakfast, lunch, snack. My goodness. So, he's preheating the oven. What's love? What is the temperature? It's 360, so maybe you said it 400, 425. So he's preheating now the oven for 425, and let's just wait for it, and then we're ready to bake our pizza rolls. So now it's ready. Ooh, look at that. For how minutes? How many minutes? 11. Right? Okay, so let's wait for it because I'm hungry. And guys, let's see kung pwede na siya. Gusto ko kasi mag-toast. Parang gusto ko pang yan, pero kung labas na yung cheese, parang gusto ko siya 2 minutes. Kaya na 2 minutes. Wala lang, gusto ko lang toast. So, bitin ko kayo guys pag okay na siya. Yay! Now it's ready! Ayan, kakain na kami guys. Kasi ako'y talagang gutom na. Ubus ko to. Akin lang to. Ayan. Hindi siya makita. Ayan. Yan yung loob niya. May meat din naman siya, oh. At saka, cheese. Sobrang init. Pagkagat ko, napaso ako. Nakatawan kasi. Ayan. O, diba ako lang kumain? Bye-bye!
Compass points you anywhere.